Your balcony isn't just an outdoor space, it's an extension of your home, a place to relax, enjoy the view, or entertain guests. And one of the most important elements that can transform your balcony is flooring. In 2025, balcony floor tiles are all about style, durability, and modern aesthetics. Whether you prefer sleek minimalism, natural textures, or bold patterns, the right flooring can completely change the vibe of your outdoor space. In this video, we'll explore the latest balcony flooring tile designs for 2025, along with practical tips to style and maintain them. 1. Modern tile designs. Modern balcony tiles combine style, comfort, and practicality. Porcelain tiles, durable, water-resistant, and available in various finishes. Wood look tiles, get the warmth and natural feel of wood without the maintenance. Stone and marble finished tiles, perfect for a luxurious and sophisticated look. Patterned tiles, geometric or mosaic patterns for a creative and bold statement. Pro tip: choose slip-resistant tiles for safety, especially in outdoor or semi-outdoor balconies. 2. Color and material trends 2025. Color and material play a big role in modern balcony design. Neutral tones, beige, gray, soft browns, and whites for a timeless look. Bold and dark shades, charcoal, navy, or black for a dramatic effect. Natural stone and wood textures, bring an organic, calming feel to your balcony. Two-tone combinations, mix light and dark tiles to create contrast and depth. Pro tip: choose tile colors that complement your outdoor furniture and overall home decor. 3. Tile size and layout ideas. The size and layout of your tiles can change the perception of your balcony space. Large format tiles make small balconies look more spacious. Square tiles, classic and versatile for any style. Rectangular or plank style tiles, ideal for a modern wood look effect. Diagonal or patterned layouts, add a dynamic and visually interesting design. Pro tip: use grout colors that either blend with the tiles for a seamless look or contrast slightly to highlight the pattern. 4. Styling your balcony floor. Tiles are just the beginning. Styling the balcony enhances the overall vibe. Outdoor rugs and mats, add comfort and color without damaging tiles. Plants and greenery, pots or vertical gardens complement natural looking tiles. Seating arrangements, chairs, loungers, or small tables to create a cozy corner. Lighting, LED strips, lanterns, or fairy lights highlight flooring textures and create ambience. Pro tip: keep furniture lightweight for easy rearrangement and maintenance. 5. Maintenance tips for balcony tiles. Durable tiles look their best when properly maintained. Regular cleaning, sweep and mop to prevent dirt buildup. Seal stone or porcelain tiles, prevent water stains and maintain shine. Protect from heavy furniture, use pads or mats under chairs and tables to avoid scratches. Seasonal care, outdoor tiles may need extra care in rainy or hot seasons. Pro tip: invest in quality tiles. A little extra upfront ensures longevity and maintains beauty. So those were the latest balcony flooring tile designs and ideas for 2025. From sleek porcelain and wood look tiles to luxurious stone finishes and bold patterns, your balcony can become a modern, stylish, and functional outdoor space. Which style fits your balcony? Minimalist, natural, bold patterns, or luxury stone? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video gave you inspiration, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other home interior videos for more flooring, balcony, and design ideas. Remember, your balcony floor isn't just functional, it's the foundation of a stylish, relaxing, and modern outdoor space.